a new polymer which is polyamide. So what are polyamides? So those polymer which contain CONH linkage are called as polyamides. It means ऐसे पॉलीमर जिसमें CONH लिंकेज हो वो पॉलीमर पॉलीएमाइड्स कहलाते हैं. So first polyamide is nylon 66. So what is nylon 66? So it is a type of condensation polymer. It is a type of condensation polymer and it is a condensation polymer of aminocaproic acid. It is a condensation polymer of aminocaproic acid. So when n molecules of aminocaproic acid get polymerized, then listen, there is evolution of or there is removal of H2O. So one OH from here and one H from here. So H and OH will make H2O. So when one molecule is taken, then one H2O get removed. So as we can see from here, in this case OH and one H is removed in the product. It means एक OH और एक H ये आपका प्रोडक्ट में नहीं आ रहा. Because of NH2O is taken, so there will be removal of NH2O. So here small n is missing, so you can write it, there is removal of NH2O. So in this case we can say nylon 66, it is a condensation polymer of aminocaproic acid, and we all know that about condensation polymer. So those polymer which involve the removal of any small molecule like H2O, then that polymer will be called as condensation polymer. It means ऐसे polymer जिनसे कोई small molecule पॉलीमर की प्रिपरेशन में निकलता है या एलिमिनेट होता है, then that type of polymer are called as condensation polymer. And listen, very important thing is aminocaproic acid is obtained by caprolactam. This is called as caprolactam. So listen, this is CO group, this is CO group. So this is CO group, this is NH group, so this will be called as CONH group. So listen here, all the corners are called as carbon. So 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 carbon. So when caprolactam is hydrolyzed, hydrolyzed means reaction with water, or we can say reaction with H and OH. So it is very simple. So when this CONH bond will get break, then there will be reaction of H, and this side there will be reaction of OH. So this will become NH2 and this will become COOH. This will become COOH. Now you can see here this ring will get break because there will be removal of this bond. So there will be formation of NH2 in one side and there will be formation of COOH in another side. So NH2, and how many carbons are there? 1 2 3 4 and 5, and each carbon is bonded by 2 bonds, so there will be 2 hydrogen. It means this is CH2 group. All the corner represent CH2. So NH2, so CH2, how many CH2 are there? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So NH2, CH2 का whole of 5. Now CO, and this CO is bonded with OH of water. So this will be NH2 CH2 का whole of 5 COOH. It means we can say in simple language, listen very carefully, when this CONH bond will break, it means जब ये CONH bond break होगा तो वाटर हमें पता है 2 चीज़ों से मिलके बनता है, H और OH से। तो वाटर का H इधर रिएक्ट करेगा और OH इस साइड में रिएक्ट करेगा। इट मीन्स हम कह सकते हैं ये H इधर रिएक्ट किया और OH इधर रिएक्ट किया, और ये CONH वाला ये बॉन्ड क्या होगा? टूट जाएगा। इट मीन्स प्रोडक्ट विल बी व्हाट? NH2। NH पहले से था, एक H और आ गया तो बन गया NH2। एंड हाउ मेनी CH2 आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So there will be 5 CH2. So NH2 CH2 का whole of 5, and this is CO, and CO reacts with OH of water, then it will form COOH. It means this is called as aminocaproic acid. So when aminocaproic acid is polymerized, then it will form nylon 6 polymer. So what is the representation of this 6? This 6 represent 6 carbon are present in nylon. We can see here there are 5 carbon and there is 1 carbon, so total carbon will be 6. So this polymer contain 6 carbon. Now what are the uses of nylon? We all know, have listened, nylon rope, nylon की रस्सियाँ आती हैं. It means we can make rope from nylon. Second thing, we can make vehicle tires, we can make cloths, we can make ropes. These are the uses of nylon 6. Now next thing is next polymer is nylon 6,6. Now in case of nylon 6,6, here this 6,6 represent 6 carbon is present in first monomer unit and 6 carbon are present in second monomer unit. So nylon 6,6 is also a condensation polymer and it is also a polyamide, but here monomer unit are different. So first monomer unit is hexamethylene diamine. Hexamethylene diamine. It means methylene means CH2 group. So how many CH2 groups are there? 6. 6 means hexa. So hexamethylene. Amine is NH2. How many amines are there? 2. So hexamethylene diamine. It means this is the formula of hexamethylene diamine. This is first monomer unit. Now what is second monomer unit? Second monomer unit is adipic acid. Second monomer unit is adipic acid. What is the formula of adipic acid? It is COOH, single bond CH2 का whole of 4, single bond COOH. So listen here, we can see in case of hexamethylene diamine, how many carbons are there? there are 6 carbon present in CH2 का whole of 6. It means इस monomer unit में 6 कार्बन है. And listen, how many carbons are present in adipic acid? So 4 of CH2 and 1 of COOH and 1 of this COH. It means in this monomer unit how many carbons are there? 6. It means 6 comma 6. So this is called as nylon 6 comma 6. So what are the monomer unit of nylon 6 comma 6? First one is hexamethylene diamine and second one is adipic acid. And we all know that this is condensation polymerization because there is removal of a small molecule like water. So one H2O get removed from here and one H and one OH get removed from here. It means 2 H2O get removed from 2 molecule, but here small n molecules are taken. So small n is missing here. So n molecule of hexamethylene diamine are taken and small n molecules of adipic acid are taken. So total 2n H2O molecule will get removed because 2 molecules से 2 H2O, तो 2n molecule से 2n H2O निकलेंगे. It means हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि अगर एक एक मॉलिक्यूल होता तो 2 H2O निकलते हैं और n मॉलिक्यूल होंगे तो 2n H2O निकलेंगे और 2n H2O निकलेगा तो बहुत सिंपल है. लिसन, सो वी कैन सी हेयर. सो H निकला तो बचा क्या? NH. यहाँ NH सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 का होल 6, CH2 का होल ऑफ 6, then again NH, then again NH, then listen, there will be removal of HOH. now NH is connected by CO. अब NH किससे जुड़ जाएगा? CO से. now listen, we can see CO and then CH2 का whole of 4, CH2 का whole of 4 and then CO because OH get removed, CO and last whole of small n. So this polymer is called as nylon 6,6 polymer. So what is the use of this polymer? So it is used in making bristles of toothbrush. It means ब्रश के जो टूथब्रश के रेसे होते हैं उनको नायलॉन 6,6 से बनाया जाता है. सिमिलरली another use we can say in making bed sheets and cloths etc. Now next type of polymer is nylon 6,6. So what is nylon 6,6 polymer? Nylon 6,10 polymer. So third type of polymer is nylon 6,10. So it is clear from this number 6 and 10. What is the representation of this 6 and this 10? This 6 represent 6 carbon are present in one monomer unit and 10 carbons are present in another monomer unit. So listen, in this case first monomer unit is hexamethylene diamine. So how many carbons are there? 6 carbon. And listen, in this case how many carbons are there? So listen here, 8 carbons are attached on CH2. Here it is missing and you can write it. So CH2 का whole of 8. This is CH2 का whole of 8. So note down this in your copy. So CH2 का whole of 8 because 8 is missing here. So listen, 8 carbon are present in CH2. So 1 carbon is present here and 1 carbon is present here. So 8, 1 9 and 1 10. So total carbon present in this monomer unit will be 10. and in this monomer will be 6. So this is called as nylon 6, 10. Clear? I hope you understood it. Now what is the nylon 610 polymer? So it is obtained by the condensation polymerization of hexamethylene diamine, but here sebacic acid is taken, not adipic acid. In this case sebacic acid is taken, and here in case of sebacic acid there will be CH2 का whole of 8. So it is CH2 का whole of 8 single bond COOH and single bond COOH. Now there will be removal of 2NH2O molecule because this is condensation polymer. So there will be removal of 2NH2O molecule. So we all know that one H2O molecule will get removed from here, and one H and one OH will also make one H2O. So total H2O will be 1 + 1 2. It means अगर एक एक मोनोमर यूनिट लेंगे तो 2H2O निकलेंगे, और अगर N और N मोनोमर यूनिट ले लेंगे तो टोटल कितने H2O निकलेंगे? 2NH2O. So there will be removal of 2NH2O. So listen here. In this case 2NH2O will get removed, and listen, simple, we can draw this polymer. It is very simple. So listen, H will get removed. Now NH, so write down NH. H is removed, so one valency get free. NH single bond CH2 का whole 6, single bond NH, single bond CO, because H2O का H2O unit will get removed. So NH is directly attached with CO. You can see. Now CH2 का whole of 8. Here 8 is missing, so please note down here. Okay. But here 8 is written. यहाँ पर 8 लिखा हुआ है, तो यहाँ लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now CO, single bond CO, and listen, OH is removed from here, so there will be no OH. So single bond, the whole of N. So this polymer is called as nylon 6, 10. So what are the uses of nylon 6, 10? So it is used in making footwears. Footwear means स्लीपर, जो हमारे चप्पल होते हैं या फुटवेयर्स होते हैं, उनको बनाने के लिए नायलॉन 610 पॉलीमर का यूज किया जाता है. इन मेकिंग बॉक्सेज आल्सो, इट इज़ आल्सो यूज्ड इन मेकिंग बॉक्सेज. सो दिस इज नायलॉन 610 पॉलीमर. बट फॉर योर एग्जाम question will be asked into this form: which of the following polymer is polyamide? It means नीचे दिए गए पॉलीमर में से पॉलीएमाइड कौन सा है. तो वो 4 ऑप्शन देंगे. पहला PVC, दूसरा PAN, तीसरा नायलॉन 6 और चौथा देंगे पॉलीस्टायरीन. तो आपको टिक लगाना है नायलॉन 6 पर. इट मीन्स नायलॉन, ऑल द नायलॉन्स आर पॉलीएमाइड बिकॉज दे कंटेन CONH linkage. CONH linkage. This linkage is present in all nylons. So listen, these are the polyamides.